Hey guys, if you're looking for a alarm for your pool, this is one I highly recommend you check out. This was sent to me to review, but I do want to show you guys how this works and why I recommend you having one for your pool. All you're gonna have to do is put this together. It has two little batteries right here. Screw these little pieces off, and then you can put your batteries in there. And then all you're gonna have to do is put it in your pool. It does come with this little piece of rope right here. I'll show you it's really long because you can cut it. But what you can do with this is on one side it actually has a little suction cup. Other side is connected to your device right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this in the water and you're going to suction cup this to the edge. It says you want about like 18 inches to 2 feet of like movement and stuff like that. So you're going to make sure that you have that much space, again, that you can move it in here and it's going to stay around and stay in the area. But what this again is going to help you do, help it move around a little bit while you have it in your pool. But it's really easy to install. Again, put the batteries in there and then put this on there. And then I want to show you guys what it looks like in the pool, and then also a little mechanism you can use to actually monitor it. So let's check that out. And this is what it looks like in the water. Again, it'll just kind of float on top of the water. It's fine to have it in there as you swim. And I have multiple other floating options all in there as well. So it's a safe and easy thing to have in your pool. So the next thing I want to show you guys is your monitoring device. Now this does need to be plugged up. It has a little battery life in there. So plug this up, let it run for a little while. But it's really easy to use. You can see it's pretty basic monitoring out there. Has a Wi-Fi signal, so you can use that. Turn it on right here, the little on button. Right now I have it on swim mode, so that way as I'm messing with it, moving it up and down, it's not gonna go off. But if you turn that off, you can turn this off right here, or you can even go back to the regular run. So there again, it's running right now. And so once it does that, it will flash red, and so it'll let you know that it is monitoring. You can see this, so it's making sure everything's okay. But the buttons on here, as I was showing you guys, you have the different ones. You have the swim mode. So if you're gonna be having your kids swim or you're gonna swim, you can press the swim mode, and what that knows to do is like take a time off. You can have sleep mode. Again, do not disturb mode. Like don't mess with me right now. If you're gone for the weekend, everybody's gone, or again, whatever's happening, you can put it on do not disturb mode. Then you can go back to the regular start mode. It's play. You got the power button, you got the Wi-Fi, and then also right here the charging button as well. So it's really just an easy little charger right there, basic charger on the back. You can have this monitor, you can have this inside, so you can kind of keep an eye on it. You can stand it up somewhere inside, or if you want to mount it, you can mount it right there as well. So whichever one you want to use, you can do that. So really easy to use right there. It also has an app. On the app, you can control everything as well. So if you want to control the sensitivity, if you want to control all of this kind of stuff, you can monitor everything from the app as well. So whichever one you want to use, if you just want to use the monitoring device, you can use that, or if you want to use the app, you can do that as well. So another thing I do like about this, it does come with like another hard option right here, a little hard thing that you can actually use it to smash it to the wall or whatever you have. Has the sticky part, you can pull that off, and then you have this right here. You can loop stuff to, or you can hook it on there, whichever one you want to do right there with that. But it's a really cool device and a great option. Again, if you're going to be using this in a pool, hard-sided, soft-sided, whichever one, you can pull that off and stick it to there as well. So that way, even if the suction cup doesn't work, this one should work right here. So here's what it looks like in the pool. Again, it's going to sit kind of still. You want to make sure that it is away from the pool pump and the intake so that it doesn't have as much movement. But I did want to show you guys what happens when you do dunk it under and it does think something is going on. And that's what it sounds like from the device and also the handheld part as well. I did want to show you guys just a little close-up of what it actually looks like. You can see all the pieces right here and the little filtering compartment there in the middle. That way it's not going to get anything clogged in there, and it's on the green setting right now. So I definitely think this is something to recommend you guys checking out. Definitely a great thing if you have a pool, whether it's an in-ground pool or above-ground pool or a jacuzzi, hot tub, or any kind of thing you don't want your kids going in just for safety. This is something I recommend you checking out. I really like it for the simplicity's sake. You got that monitor, you can just see everything on there. You can hit a button, you have the app, you can check everything out on there, adjust stuff on there, and be able to monitor it from wherever you are. But I really like this, that you can just easily hit a button and it turns it off, or make sure that it's on in case something happens, in case your kids accidentally get out there. Definitely could help you. It could help you have a peace of mind. Also, it could save someone's life as well. So something highly recommend you guys checking out and keeping an eye on. Definitely something I would recommend. Again, if you have some type of water feature at your house that you want to make sure no kid's going to get into. So definitely a great option for that. But if you are interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.